everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change season on Crunchyroll. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to change season on Crunchyroll application, first of all you have to have Crunchyroll application installed in your mobile phone, and you must have logged in into its account first. So if you have done both, then you're good to go. So go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application first. After you do that, you will be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll application. Now what you gotta do is go ahead and tap on simulcast, which is the fourth option available here, which is just beside account. And then you can scroll all the way down to see several animes, but then if you tap on this particular spring 2024, then you will get to see different seasons here. So you can select any of it, whichever you like, and then you are good to go. That's how we can easily change season on Crunchyroll application. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or if you differ. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.